Hi, welcome to my backyard. So recently I was asked to do a video going through the process of how to paint your own mural on your windows. So if you'd like to see how to do something like this yourself, I am linking to the video that I did for the South Dakota Council on the Arts. I'm on their teaching artist roster in addition to the North Dakota teaching artist roster. But I also got asked recently to do a video for Healthcare Worker Appreciation Week at Sanford here in Bismarck, and I was really excited to be able to say thank you in my own way using visual arts. So that's what I wanted to show you today. It's similar style. I love doing colorful things. So if you want to do something like this yourself, it's just simple acrylic paint made into window paint with a little bit of dish soap, super easy. And you can see the shapes are really simple, fun, just wanted to keep it cheerful. This is absolutely a project that you could do on your own also to kind of cheer up your windows, and it's a fun way to make art while you're staying home and staying safe and just bring a little bit more color into the world. So hope you enjoy this video. I've got lots more videos coming, so please stay tuned. Thanks.